Hi, this is Linda from H&H Chevrolet Cadillac here in Shippensburg, Pennsylvania. Today I'm going to talk about the hands-free liftgate, one of the options available in a Premier Equinox. So this option, the hands-free liftgate, comes in handy if you have your hands full and you're trying to fumble around to find your keys. As long as you have the fob on your person, you are able to just swipe and the hands-free liftgate comes right open for you, allowing you to set your heavy items in the trunk and have your hands free. Once again, my name was Linda from H&H Chevrolet Cadillac here in Shippensburg, Pennsylvania.